Today I'm reviewing a smart door lock from Hidalife. Now this smart lock has a ton of features, and at the time of this video I looked it up on Amazon. It's $59.99 slashed down to $49.99. So 50 bucks for a feature-packed smart lock? I'm pretty excited. Now what I'm most interested about is fingerprint unlocking. And it claims to be able to unlock with fingerprints in 0.3 seconds, which if that's the case, that's pretty impressive. It also claims to have a 99.99 recognition rate. And if that's the case, it would blow away my Yale smart lock, which is like 5 times the price, but I'll test it so we know for sure. It could store up to 50 fingerprints and also has a waterproof fingerprint scanner, because we know how water and fingerprints mix, or don't. You know what, let's open it up. Okay, and here it is. This is the smart lock. We have the inside and the outside pieces. This model comes in black and it has doorknobs. It seems like it's pretty well built too. Buttons press nicely. I can't wait to test out this fingerprint reader. Here's all the rest of the hardware. And it comes with some keys too. I hate keys, that's why I'm getting a smart door lock. So it has a heavy duty zinc alloy body. It says it's 3 times stronger. Then what? I don't know. It has a 1-second switch for lock and unlock modes. It also claims 13 plus months of battery life with a 9-volt battery. I'm not going to test this out for an entire year before posting it, because that wouldn't work for anybody, but we'll take their word for it. Okay, so I'm going to scan this QR code to watch their installation video, then I'll pop it in my door, and we'll test it out. I look forward to updating you soon. Pop this out. Alright, this should be going this way. Okay, that looks good. Everything's centered. Okay, let's connect these. Right, I had to get this 9-volt battery. These are not included, by the way. This didn't come with it. Lock. Alright, so if I leave the switch like this, then it's just unlocked all the time, right? If I put it up like that, now it's in lock mode. Okay, here it is from the outside. I actually put this in my garage door to test it out. I like the blue color it lights up in. So I successfully programmed the code by using these instructions. It's, not as easy as using an app, of course, but it wasn't too difficult either. Okay, moment of truth. Wow, that was very easy. Let's try that again. All right, not bad. Let's see if I use the wrong finger. Excellent. Okay, I'm back. I installed the lock. I've been testing it out. It's a different day. I'm wearing new clothes. And the first thing I'm going to mention is the fingerprint reader. The fingerprint reader is amazing. It actually does work pretty instantly, and it doesn't fail. The only time I failed was because I accidentally put the wrong finger on there. I must have unlocked the door with my fingerprint like 20 times in a row, and it worked perfectly. Just for context, I have a Yale smart lock, a very advanced one in my front door that's, I don't know, $260, $270, I don't know, somewhere between $250 and $300. Very high end. The fingerprint reader in that is garbage. And the Hidalife one that I just installed works perfectly. And it's a $50 or so unit. So the installation was so easy. Now I've installed a number of basic doorknobs and doors, doorknobs, door handles, and this is as easy, if not easier than those. It's just like installing a regular doorknob. Very easy installation. I mean, it was too easy. It was a breeze. The instructions were clear and straightforward. I didn't even bother looking at the video. I just used the instruction manual. Very easy installation. Now this lock, it does not connect to your phone. There's no app. All of the setup is done through the keypad. So at first I was a little annoyed by that, but it was actually pretty easy to program it. I just needed to read the instructions a few times and let it sink in. And again, the programming was not too difficult. I programmed a number of secret codes for myself and my family members. The codes work just as expected, no flaws. I programmed several fingerprints, and like I said, it worked amazingly, flawlessly. It has an auto lock feature so that when you close the door, it will lock automatically after a certain amount of time, which you can adjust. The keypad lights up in a really nice color blue, and I really like how it has the little switch on the inside of the door so you can just change it to auto lock or to never lock at all. It's really convenient. So let's wrap it up. This Hidalife smart door lock is amazing for the $50 or so price point. The fingerprint reader is maybe the best I've used on a door lock. It recognizes your fingers and opens the door instantly. From my experience, you just have to tap it once, not a whole bunch of times like my other smart lock. Using your own personal entry codes is very easy as well. You can program multiple codes. You type in the code, hit the unlock button, and it unlocks. It has a very nice build quality. It feels very nice and sturdy. The installation was extremely easy, a little too easy. And aside from that, it's pretty basic. It doesn't have an app associated with it. You're not controlling it through your phone. It's not connected to your Wi-Fi. It's pretty basic, it's pretty simple, but it does exactly what it says it's gonna do. And again, for the price, it's a steal. I just feel like why not put it on every single door? So if you just want a basic smart lock where you can enter your home using either your fingerprint, a code, or keys that it comes with, this may be the right one for you. So if you have anything to say, questions, or feedback, please leave it in the comments section. I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. It would help me a lot. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.